What's up, Airsofters? This is the Angel Custom HIVE mock suppressor and barrel extension. The Angel Custom HIVE mock suppressor and barrel extension is a mock suppressor and barrel extension available in two different lengths, both 160 millimeter I've got here, as well as a slightly shorter 130 millimeter length. It's available in two different threading options as well. The 14 millimeter clockwise thread, which I've got attached to my Salient Arms gray AEG, as well as a counterclockwise thread for other barrel types. Notable features include the durable, lightweight aluminum construction, keeping the weight away from the front end, dragging your barrel down, as well as the imitation HIVE-themed hex heat shroud that looks really, really cool. Barrel extension mock suppressors are a great way to extend your inner barrel a little bit longer than the actual size of your airsoft gun, while keeping that inner barrel protected and adding a great look to your overall design of your airsoft gun. To find out more information about the Angel Customs HIVE mock suppressor and barrel extension cover, you can find all of the different lengths and threading options in our store and on our website right here at Evike.com.
You